This is going to be a room tour of room 4726 at the Atlanta Marriott Marquis in Atlanta, Georgia. This is on the top floor of the hotel. It's a concierge level, and this room is a one king bed with a skyline view. Immediately, you're greeted by this wonderful view of downtown Atlanta. Simply amazing. Here's the bed. Looks pretty comfy. You've got an alarm clock right here and a light with USB ports and wall outlets. You have a cabinet here with an ironing board and another drawer right here. You've got a mirror. Got your TV, coffee machine, safe right up here, as well as the Holy Bible and the Book of Mormon. You've got a fridge right here. And you've got this couch, which looks pretty comfortable. You have a thermostat. Here's the sign on the back of the door for evacuation. Got some hangers, a hair dryer, and here's the bathroom. You have this walk-in shower right here. Your toilet, towels and washcloths, your sink. Everything looks pretty standard, but nice. But like I said, the most impressive thing about this room is the view. This is just unbeatable, and being on the top floor to boot. So I hope you enjoyed this tour. That'll be all.